Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to answer the question, what is business insurance? In the most simplest form possible. So just the basics, business insurance has two pieces to it. So the first piece that you can think about is if you have a business and either you have a physical location, if you have a physical location, then you need insurance for that. So that has a name, and the name of that is called general liability. So if you have a location and you have a customer that comes and visits you at this location and something happens to the customer, then you're liable for that, meaning that you have to pay for any accident that they might have or injury that they might get on your premise. And that's similar to having like home insurance. And so that's the one part of the business insurance that business owners would need to have if they have a physical location. And the other kind that business owners need to have is called errors and omissions. And so what does that mean? Well, that's like if you, like a doctor has errors and omissions insurance, but they have a different name for it. It's called malpractice insurance. And so if a doctor makes a mistake, it's their fault, they are liable. And so the malpractice insurance would take care of any lawsuit that would go against the doctors. And I believe all doctors have this as a requirement. And I think all business owners should have insurance too, as a requirement to yourself, because the chances of a lawsuit happening are pretty good in the lifetime of a business. And if you're a business owner, you probably would agree with that statement. If you have a business or if you plan on getting in a business, there is a possibility that you might get sued at least once. This happened with my parents. I know friends that this has happened to as well. And so you just want to be a good planner. You want to be careful. You want to be fully covered. How do you know if you're fully covered? Yes, I mean, definitely talk to your insurance agent. But also what I tell my clients and my friends and my family is think of your business. Nobody knows your business better than you know your business. So think of your business. Think of the times when you've heard or seen situations where somebody was sued, and make sure you write that down and contact your agent and have your agent look through your policy and make sure that you're covered for that. I think the best way to protect ourselves is that we take responsibility as much as possible for our things. So that's my recommendation to you. And again, just to talk about why is it important to have business insurance? Well, again, if you get sued, you can pay for it out of your own pocket, which if it's a small amount, I recommend that you do. But if it's a really large amount, like in the millions, this could potentially hurt this could hurt the life of your business, and you don't want that to happen. So then in these cases, you may not have a choice but to use your insurance. But in any case, that's it. It's just general liability or errors and omissions. And to start off, those are the basics. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have about this. And just remember, for every business, it's different. And that's it. Hope you have a great Tuesday and talk to you next time.